Need a top-notch IT asset management tool that is open source in 2026? We will compare Snipe-IT versus GLPI to determine which one can handle your hardware, software licenses, and IT inventory like a professional. Both options are free, feature-rich, and community-led. Now, let us take a closer look at each one of them. First, let's have Snipe-IT. Snipe-IT provides simple and straightforward asset tracking designed especially for IT and SMBs. It allows you to track IT equipment such as computers, laptops, smartphones, and etc., license management, check-ins and checkouts, print custom QR code and barcode stickers, all this along with an elegant user interface and advanced REST API. It is easy to install and operate, lightweight, and has no unnecessary bells and whistles. Snipe-IT is strictly about the life cycle of assets, starting from acquisition till decommissioning with powerful reports and a very comprehensive database. On the other hand, we have the GLPI. The GLPI package also provides a wider scope of IT service management capabilities by integrating asset management with native network scanning and built-in service desk functionality. It shines when it comes to being very extensible with its enormous plugin library, automation capabilities for software deployment, and advanced features like complex financial audits and help desk ticketing in an enterprise setting. Deployments can be carried out in both self-hosted mode and using the GLPI network cloud, making it suitable for large companies requiring a unified single pane of glass. Snipe-IT is a choice of ease of implementation and quick deployment if all you need is basic ITAM capability. GLPI takes the lead in terms of features and capability because of better network visualization, automated asset management via GLPI agent, and integrated help desk ticketing. However, the GLPI solution is much bulkier to install and operate. When it comes to 2026, opt for Snipe-IT if you're looking for a streamlined, easy to use solution for your asset management needs that can grow easily with your team. Choose GLPI if you're looking for all-out ITSM capabilities as well as the ability to handle help desk tickets along with your hardware. You can try them out. Both are open source and free to use.